All right, this is going to be a lesson on A harmonic minor. So harmonic minor scale is a minor scale, but it has a major seventh in it. So if we start here on this A, it's going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp. G sharp is the major seventh note of A. So we had the 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, major 7, back to our A. So that's the whole scale. Then it would start again on the A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, A. So the only sharp or flat is the G sharp. Other than that, you have natural notes. Okay, so one more time. Okay, now if we wanted to add some notes on the big string there, to finish off that position, we have open, E to F, and then G sharp, 4th fret, to the A. So if we want to do the full position, okay, now you can do exercises, like you can go up in 4s. Okay, then we're going to look at the different positions. So here we have an A. We could use the G sharp below that as well. So we've got the A, B, C here, and we got the G sharp. D, E, F, G sharp, A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, A, B, C. So this is an interesting one. Okay, so we can do our 4s with that. Okay, the next position. And if you can always kind of just think of the notes, and if you know your notes up the neck, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, just remember you're getting natural notes, but you got a G sharp when you get to that one. So we got B, C, D, E, F, and then we're going down here for the G sharp, A, B, C, D, E, F. Here's a G sharp, 9th fret, 2nd string, G sharp, A, B, C, D. Okay, so that's kind of a tricky one. 7, 8, 10, 7, 8, and then 6, 7, 9, 10, then 7, 9, 10, then 9, 10, 7, 8, 10. Okay, then we're going to move up here. We got D, E, F, 10, 12, 13. Then we have the G sharp here, 11th fret of the A string, to the 12 here. So we had D, E, F, G sharp, A, B, C, D, E, F, and then G sharp here, A, B, C, D, E, F. So one more time, D, E, F, G sharp, A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, A, B, C, D, E, F. So let's go back and look at our 4s here in position 3. fourth position in fours. So it gets pretty wacky when you got this kind of that extra like 3 frets movement away to get that major third. So let's look up in here. We got E, F, G sharp, A, B, C. So we could look at it like this. It's kind of easier to hit these like that though. So we got, here's our G sharp, A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, A. Okay, so let's do that in fours. All right, so say it's good to do a little jamming in that. All right, so that's a little bit of A harmonic minor. So practice improvising and doing exercises and stuff with all those different positions, and it's a great way to add to your sounds on your guitar. So hope you all dug that. We'll talk to you all soon. Thanks a lot.